The eyeball is straight ahead, right on the corner. You can kind of see it splashing over there, right around the corner.
Let's get it.
You know, looking toward the outside.
Babe, you see the eyeball?
I see the eyeball.
Yeah.
Yeah, that Wenatchee River.
This on the right is called Entry Rock. I want to hit that, right? There, it's a big pour over. The hole behind it.
Yeah, we don't want to hit a rock.
Let's go forward, right into this wave, straight ahead. Woo!
Get it!
Oh, woohoo! And stop!
Oh my god.
Let's go forward! Right to the eyeball! Dig it in! Dig, dig, dig! Dig, dig, dig! Keep going! And stop! Look back, right forward! And then all forward, all forward, all forward! Keep it going, guys! Keep it going! Keep going, guys! Keep it going, you do it! You're doing great! Keep it going! And stop! Eyeball, the apple's on our right! That's the apple! Bigger! Now forward, right through the wall! And stop! Now we're safety! Look upstream, we're looking for swimmers! They're worth 1 beer apiece!
Oh, hey.
Oh, they got to the eyeballs!
Ah, that's fun.
Cut the tube wide open for 10 feet for the full length.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
Jeez.
It's sharp on top. It's under a lot of water right now, so it's not so damn, you know.
He's off.
But it is his second year. He shouldn't be going over
So
the top.
no.
It's off.
Well, you really have to.
And stop. These were bigger at 5,000, but they're still pretty fun. Wenatchee's class 2. I like it. I'm gonna go for it. I am. I'll take it a short trip. Let's go forward. You guys can come in if you want. So we're gonna try and get in this cave, okay? You guys are good paddlers. We should be able to do it. It's all timing. Wall. Make sure your paddle's not stuck in there, especially your hand or leg, okay? And be aware it could tube suck also. So just be locked in and wait and ready for those things. Let's go forward.
The cave.
And stop. There's a big boil here on this right side of the river. See it boiling? It's called a boil. It looks like it's bubbling up. Boiling water. We're going to go right on top of the boil. Stall for a second. We're going to go for the cave. Let's go forward. And stop. You get a ferry angle here. Across the river right into the cave. Don't stop. And you guys, you on the right, I want you to pull us into the cave with your paddle. Let's go forward, guys, forward, go, get it, get it, get it. Get it. Dig, dig, keep digging, dig. Keep digging. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You got it, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep paddling, paddle, right there. Keep paddling now. Paddle, paddle. Okay. Okay, stop. Back paddle now, back paddle. Back us in here. We're going to
Watch your head.
Quick trip. I'm going to tell you what's going on here. Hands up. Watch your head. We've got a limestone cave here. It's sandstone. However, calcium carbonate's coming out. Slowly making some fins and stalactites over there. You guys see it over there? Right here is a water ouzel nest. The ouzel is nesting in there, which is a water bird also called an American dipper.
Where is he?
An inner eyelid that closes so it can see underwater. It flies its wings out when it's underwater, so it can walk on the bottom and eat bugs.
Oh, wow.
And then there's swallows nests up there as well. Let's get out of here. Let's go forward. Keep it going. Stop. And forward. Push it off the right. Push it off. And stop. Keep going. Stop. There we go.
That was dope. Hey, my eyes are like,
Go forward, right through these waves. And stop. Thank you, Brother Brad. And you can see the giant pig, big snout, kind of a beetle's haircut. That's the piggy snout.
recording?
Now go forward. Keep it going. Do a spin. Keep it going. Keep paddling and stop. On my right is the anaconda pool. There's a 30-foot snake in there. That's why I have to carry this knife, so I can regularly save all the girls. Guys can get taken. The next pool, of course, has the hippopotamus, the most dangerous animal on the planet. You guys know that, right? That's why we're going to shoot it in the head. Because that's what we do to wild animals. Okay? And let's go forward. It's amazing how many people hippos do kill in Africa.
More than lions.
Stop. They are the most dangerous animal in the world, by far. They are mean. And let's go forward, guys, forward. And stop. See, I'm riding the edge of the eddy and the current, right on the edge. Let's go forward. And stop. Foam pile, dead end. Let's go forward, right in that foam pile. And stop.
Yeah.
That's when you were drying off.
And forward.
Holy.
Going. Looks awfully like we're heading to that pillar. That's why this is called raft race. We don't want to wrap around that pillar. And stop. But right here we get a whole bunch of current coming from right to left and we'll take us away from it. But there's been boats wrapped around these. Even those at high water, yeah. This is raft ridge. There's been a boat wrapped on every single one of these 4 pillars. Wrapped around it like a postage stamp, stuck there for a week. No way.
Oh yeah, they're all utilizing that, the river. Hook up a pump.
See, there's a car in that tree right over there. If you look closely at the base of that tree over there, there's a car in it. In the guy's lawn. Beautiful house. I think it's $3 million plus now. I think it comes with that mother-in-law flat, which is a proper distance for a mother-in-law. About 100 yards. You get both your mother-in-laws in that one.
He fell out. That's pretty funny. I think that's the guy who fell out.
Let's go forward. And up. See what all these play boats are going to do. Hole in it right at the sandstone.
Oh, yeah.
You see it's only about a foot deep right there. We slide over the sandstone. Let's go forward. going right into this foam. And keep going a little bit further. And stop. Oh, we got a man out. Oh, no. Fine, sorry.
Oh, there's a kayak.
I didn't see the boat. Let's go forward. And stop.
I feel like
Man, I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Stop.
Seriously, I don't know, man.
We do it every time. I don't know, man.
YOLO.
Good time.
It's
Good.
oh yeah, it's on.
Yep.
It's running, isn't it? You see the numbers moving?
Nah. Oh, yes.
Okay.
All right, let's go forward, guys. And stop. Can you go forward, guys? One more time. Slow it down just enough to get space. And stop.
Babe, remember when I did the bull riding where I took a picture?
Oh, yeah, when you fell off.
No, a caged bull. And I fell off.
Fell off the other side.
Hey, the kid caught
The story
me.
here is the drunkard was up on the top watching the rafts go by and took one step too many in his inebriated state and took the drop. We don't know whether. That one I don't know.
I'm trying to think what would be the best. I probably don't want to be right on the very.
The actual drop is from
What do you think? Just hook like this
Yeah, just hold on.
and lean back in it.
Hands up.
Rules 1, 2.
Hey, the youngster's on.
Not cowboy,
All right, you can see that big wave. That's we're going to go right through that standing wave, right where the little pile, foam pile is.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it should be nice and fun for you in the front. Remember, if you're going to fall backward into the boat. But usually you don't have to. There is a photographer on the beach. So wave to him as we go through the thing. Be aware he's there. Make loud cheers. Let's go forward.
Let's get it!
Keep it going, guys. Right into the wave.
Oh, guys,
Stop.
holy!
Forward, forward, forward. Keep going, guys. Keep that And one line on, everyone, for the camera. Left back, right forward. And then all forward. Cool. Most of these type of boats will pull over what I'm hoping for. And stop.
The nose plug would have been great.
Take out 3 more rapids.
That's quite the wall.
1 class 2 and 2 big class 3s. We're finishing it with
That looks so scary.
The wall.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit. Should I come back?
this area is right here for the, yeah, you can climb back. How perfect this area is for a native community to move in, take over a nice, beautiful riverside campsite right there. You got a side channel to put fishnets in, right? You can't put fishnets in the main channel, it's too strong, right? All those things equal a beautiful place for the natives to set up. Of course, all the natives have been moved out of this valley. They're all part of the consolidated Yakima tribe, so they don't get the fishing rights and don't fish on these rivers anymore. And the salmon is mostly gone. We've had a number of summers with hot weather, but we do have cocoa beer. And let's go left back, right forward, left back, right forward, left back, right forward. Who's gonna get wet? We don't know. Oh no! Keep going around and around. It's not me. Back pedal, back it up, back pedal. And then just sideways. And stop. Lap pull.
Say, oh, I didn't get wet. I said, oh, it looks like it'll get wet. Yeah.
Feet set. There's a stay in the boat. Paddles at the ready on your knees.
Is it on?
Got a long lead in here. Little wave train going all the way down, but you can see where the right waves start down there around the corner. You need good paddling through the waves. There's about 3 waves in a row. Then a little flat section, and then a whole series of waves. They're super fun.
Yeah! I got a shield in front of me, that's what.
Go forward. Hands up.
Oh, sorry. I hit him like 5 times. You do not want to float down this without anything.
And let's go forward. Hands up. And forward. Keep it going, right now. Waves in. Here, stop. All right, right through these 3 waves.
Jeez.
And let's go forward.
Oh!
Ready to go.
Oh!
Keep going. Left back, left back, left back. Stop. Gonna bounce off this little one and then right down the wave train. All right, let's go forward, right down the wave train. Woo. Woo.
Oh! Oh!
And stop. That was nice. Good line. That was snowblind.
Just kind of keeps going. I saw you look at
And then hold your arms out
Is
in
it
front
on?
like
Is it
you're
recording?
like you're on the Titanic.
too much now.
No, that's how you got to do it.
Come on!
You
Come on,
straighten your
Adele!
arms, You're gonna be way out there like you're on top of the world.
Straighten out, Adele! Come on,
You gotta
do
do the
it!
Titanic thing. It's gonna be super fun. I promise.
Hey, he's doing it, Adele. You can do it.
Forward, forward, forward. You going push? Andrew, you hitting the meat? Okay.
Straighten out, Adele! Come on!
And stop. And forward. Keep it going. All the way through all these waves. Just kind of nice and easy. Keep it going. Right in the waves. Keep going. One more, straight ahead. Keep it going, right into it. And stop. And paddle high five. Excellent trip. Good job. Is that everything I promised? Okay. You really want to do that because it's great when you're way up there. So like some river water.